as Santi, and to my good friend, of course, Big, is here. Thank you. She's everywhere when it comes to co-ops.
May forever sa co-op.
May forever. And I see familiar faces from NAPCO, dyan si Bingbe, para si CHMF, PFCC ONCR, PFCCO National Model Cooperative, ULSCC, and from TIGPA. And of course, to my CDA family. And hindi na ako na sector, kundi CDA family na. I love standardization. And I think cooperatives, whether they like it or not, should also love standardization. It's a guide, it's an assessment tool, and ito yung practice namin. It's the best tool for decision making. If this is lacking, we cannot decide well. And we can't even see the future of a cooperative without the statistics on standards. And of course, it shows whether co-ops are healthy or not healthy. Kaya yung mga ibang co-op, hindi na nagko-compute ang steps kasi alam na nila, unhealthy sila. And it should be a must as a basis of looking at the trustworthiness level of cooperatives. I think we should have a grade on that. And I think meron naman in the steps rating. On one hand, yes, we do have standards, but let's look at on the other side, the acceptability level of these standards to our co-op sector. It should be user-friendly. Something that it's easier to go with, to compute with, or to use. And but the other issue too is the quality of the reports. We are certain that if ever this is going to be agreed upon by the end of 2 days, we expect that cooperatives, the sector will cooperate through the unions and federations that will assist them eventually. Besides this standardization on financial, as the new chair of the CDA, I wish also to look at how do we standardize governance and how do we standardize our social purpose, social performance of cooperatives. And I hope that this body will be the same body that will also look into this, especially governance. Because I truly believe that everything rises and falls on leadership. And if we do have standards in governance, maybe the financial standard and the social standards can follow. And I wish that the CDA, my family, CDA, will continue to supervise, examine, and assist co-ops, because the end purpose of this, the end goal of this is increasing the trustworthiness level of cooperatives and sustaining the trust of the Philippine population to cooperatives. And my dream is that we should continue trusting cooperatives because they are guided by federations and unions, and CDA is there to go with him and to assist them in any way. So good morning and thank you very much.